Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you how I made this Reuben sandwich. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. First, you're going to start off by toasting 2 slices of rye bread. Place the toasted rye bread to the side. Then we're going to add a couple of slices of corned beef and sauerkraut. Add 3 slices of Swiss cheese. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes or until cheese is completely melted. Spread on some homemade Russian dressing. The link to the recipe will be found in the description box. Add your corned beef with Swiss cheese and top it with some sauerkraut, and there you have it, a classic Reuben sandwich.